But so in the last lecture, we discussed advanced features of MS Excel, right? In the advanced features, we discussed the feature sorting, conditional formatting, and filter. These three features are clear to everyone. How to do sorting, either ascending or descending. We discussed two commands for that. Then we discussed filter. Two methods of filter are there, auto filter and advanced filter. Remember, in auto filter, condition can be applied only on one column. When you want to apply the conditions on multiple columns, we need to use advanced filter. Do you remember this thing? The concept of advanced filter? And then we studied conditional formatting, how we can format our cells according to some condition. So I hope up to this thing, the topics are clear to everyone. The topics are clear, bachche? Any doubt to anyone? If you remember, हमने ये वर्कशीट पे काम किया था. Do you remember? Have you done practice at home? Yes? Okay, that's good. So you can see the two tabs for sorting, the two commands, home tab, editing group, sort and filter button, sort A to Z, Z to A, and custom sort. Second command, data tab, sort and filter group, sort A to Z, sort Z to A, and sort, right? And the command of filter, auto filter की two commands हैं, home tab, editing group, sort and filter button, filter, data tab, sort and filter group, filter. The command for advanced filter is data tab, sort and filter group, advanced option. You can look at the screen and look at the commands carefully. The command for print is file menu, print option. Now you can see when I have to apply the advanced filter, so I can apply the condition on two columns, multiple columns can be applied. So see, here on maths and SST, I have applied the condition that maths marks should be greater than or equal to 60 and SST marks should be greater than or equal to 70. Otherwise, in auto filter, at a time, only one condition at a one column can be applied. But in advanced filter, you can apply the conditions of the filter on multiple columns. So this thing is clear, any doubt? Then we discuss the properties and the options related to the print. You have to go to the file and then print option. So you will get the print preview dialog box here. Here you have to specify the settings, the printer name that is attached with your system. Then whether you want to print active sheet or you want to print entire workbook or the selection. Selection में क्या होगा? Whatever the content you have selected. अभी देखो यहाँ पे आ रहा है print active sheet. तो प्रिंट एक्टिव शीट में बच्चे क्या हो रहा है, जितनी भी हमारी एक्टिव शीट विजिबल शीट है दैट इज बीइंग प्रिंटेड. यहाँ पे जैसे कंडीशंस भी आ रही है, मैंने नीचे कमांड भी दी हुई है फाइल की प्रिंट की, एंड देन दी कंडीशन सॉरी ऑटो एडवांस फिल्टर की जो मैंने कंडीशंस लगाई हुई हैं दैट आर अवेलेबल, है ना. बट व्हाट इफ आई वांट टू प्रिंट सिलेक्शन? प्रिंट सिलेक्शन में क्या होगा, इफ आई वांट टू प्रिंट ओनली माय वर्कशीट, I don't want to print rest of the content, so I will select it. Select the cells that you want to print. Now click on print. Okay, so you have to select the data first, the data that you want to print. Right? This thing is clear. So you rest of the things you can set the orientation here, whether you want to print one-sided or single-sided. Then margins you can set it from here. Like this way. So when you're opening the page setup, but please join your class on time. So many students are joining right now. Here you can choose the paper size. Let it be paper size is A4. Okay. Then the margins, you can give your custom margins as well from here. आपको लेफ्ट से कितना देना है, राइट से कितना देना है, टॉप मार्जिन, बॉटम मार्जिन, हेडर एंड फुटर you want. You want your page to be centrally, horizontally and vertically. So this way you can specify the options, right? Like this, you can expand. Is it clear? Okay, once you are okay with the properties of the print, you can then finally click on the print button in order to get your worksheet printed. Right, bache? Any doubt? Any doubt? Sorting, filtering, auto filter, advanced filter, conditional formatting and printing. So these 4 concepts are clear? Yes? Any doubt? Reply me at least. How should I come to know whether you are understanding or not? Nobody is replying. Give answer in the chat box. So we are left with only one feature of the chapter, that is the goal-seek feature. Goal-seek feature, the last topic of the chapter. Come to page number 41. Now what is goal-seek? Goal-seek is a feature that is used for fixing the specific result for one cell by adjusting the value in the another cell. Means आप एक cell की value को fix करके you can have the value for another cell by adjusting the value in the another cell, right? So that let's look at the example. Suppose there is a table, a student's marks table is given, where there are 2 columns, subject column and marks column. Now student needs at least 75% marks to get distinction in exam. जो student है उसकी percentage 75 होनी चाहिए so that उसको distinction मिल सके. Distinction means first position आ सके, right? So we need to find out अब साइंस में कितने मार्क्स चाहिए होंगे कि उसकी परसेंटेज 75 बन जाए, right? So this can be easily done with the help of this goal-seek feature. Now what you have to do, let's look at the command for the goal-seek. The goal-seek feature is available under the data tab. Note down the command. Data tab. Data tools group. And then what if analysis? What if analysis option? Right? Now, bache, if you carefully see, now if you carefully see the command in my version as I'm using Office 16, so you can see there is a difference in my software. There is a difference in my software, okay? Difference of command. Like in book, it's given data tab, data tools group, and that what if analysis. But in my version, data tab, forecast group के अंदर what if analysis option आ रही है. Data tools में नहीं आ रही है, what if analysis में आ रही है. So it might be variation in the version. 2013 में data tools के अंदर आ रही है, लेकिन above जो versions है office के, in that the option is coming in the forecast group. So you check your own, आपके version में कहाँ पे किस group में option आ रही है, right? Now, so this was the command. Now, what I have to do, now carefully look at the example. I want to add the marks of term 1, term 2, term 3 and term 4. Where term 1, 2 and term 4 marks I know. I don't know the marks of term 3. The total I am getting is 97. But I want कि जो मेरा total है that should be 100. I want my total should be 100. तो टोटल 100 बनाने के लिए टर्म 3 में मुझे कितने मार्क्स देने हैं कि मेरा टोटल 100 में है? अगर मैनुअली करेंगे तो मैनुअली according to you what will be the answer? If I want my total should be 100, then term 3 will have which value? क्या होना चाहिए term 3 में so that I can get 100 in my total instead of 97? How much value I will give to the term 3? कितने मार्क्स मैं दूंगी term 3 में बताओ कि मेरा टोटल 97 की बजाय 100 बन जाए? बताओ। हाँ जी अक्षरा। Yes Chup. Yes, very good Saksham and Samarth. Harmeet also. So what I'm saying to you, if I want 100, तो टर्म 3 में मैं कितने मार्क्स दूं कि मेरे पास 100 बन जाए? दैट विल बी 3. 97 तो पहले ही आ रहा है, 97 प्लस 3 करेंगे तभी 100 बनेगा ना, है ना? ये तो हो गया मैनुअली कि आपको मैनुअली पता चल रहा है, आपने कैलकुलेशन कर लिया, यू आर गेटिंग द आंसर. बट हाउ व्हेन दी वैल्यूज आर वेरी हायर, बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा नंबर है, तो हम उस केस में फिर कैसे करेंगे? वी विल यूज दी गोल सीक फीचर. ओके, नाउ गोल सीक फीचर का एक मेन थिंग जो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, that goal seek feature is always applied on the cell which is having any formula. Goal seek will be applied on the cell which is carrying some formula. So formula here I have applied on the cell this. You can look at the formula bar. The formula is equal to sum C2 colon C5. ये C2 से लेके C5 तक यहाँ पे मैं इसकी एडिशन परफॉर्म कर रही हूँ in this cell. So I have applied the formula equal to cell C2 colon C5. Now I already told you that the goal seek feature is to be applied on the formula cell only, जहाँ पे formula लगा होगा. अब 97 वाले पे देखो मैंने formula लगाया हुआ है, मैंने sum किया हुआ है. So here it is carrying a formula. Now select this cell where the formula is being applied. Follow the command. Now under the what if analysis button, there is an option called goal seek. Goal seek is under what if analysis button. Okay. So once I will click on this, you can see a goal seek dialog box will appear. Now tick this, tick fourth point on page number 42. The goal seek dialog box will appear after following the command. Okay, so we have reached till this step. Now, in the goal seek dialog box, there are 3 fields: set field, set cell, to value, by changing cell. What are the 3 options or what are the 3 fields in the goal seek dialog box? Tick karo page number 42 pe. Set cell, to value, by changing cell. Now what is set cell? Set cell is a field that will contain cell addresses on which you want to apply the goal seek. अभी मैंने आपको बताया ना 97, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मेरा फॉर्मूला लगा हुआ है, राइट? जहां पे भी मुझे लगाना है, I need to apply the formula. To value, it contains the new value. To value means जहां पे हमारी new value आएगी. Then this is the cell. By changing cell means this is the cell where the goal seek will provide you the result. जहां पे result आएगा, that is term 3 वाला column. By changing the cell, that will be the cell address there. So all these 3 fields are clear. Now let's see it practically. I am saying I want to set cell C6. C6 मेरा फॉर्मूला लगा हुआ है 97 वाला यहाँ पे. So I want to set cell C6. You can easily see C6 पे फॉर्मूला था, तो मैंने यहाँ पे C6. कितनी वैल्यू you want? I want 100. I want 100. किस सेल को एडजस्ट करना चाहते हैं? By changing the cell, which cell I want to change? I want to change this cell जहाँ पे मुझे वैल्यू चाहिए है. So I will click that. So it's coming $C$4. ठीक है, इस सेल का एड्रेस आ रहा है. So when I will click on OK, I will automatically get the answer 3 and here 100. Earlier it was 97. Now I am getting the result as 100 by adjusting the cell C4 as value 3. So goal seek is clear. Yes, बच्चे, any doubt? Any doubt in the goal seek? Any doubt to anyone in the goal seek? The topic is clear. Let me show you one more example. For example, I'm giving a subject marks here: English, Maths, Science, SST, Computer. So now let's say I'm giving in percentage. So let's say in this, the percentage is 78. In math, the percentage is 68. In science, the percentage is 70. In SST, the percentage is 72. Now, I want a particular student should score a percentage. अब यहाँ पे I will be applying a formula, right? मैं formula लगाऊंगी ना यहाँ पे. क्या formula लगाएंगे हम percentage निकालने के लिए? बताओ. What will be the formula? क्या formula लगाएंगे in order to get the percentage? Yes, Harmeet.
Ma'am, equal to sum bracket C9 to C13.
Yes, C9 to C13. Then ये तो आपकी addition हो गई, so I need to divide it by 5.
Ma'am,
क्योंकि हम percentage निकाल रहे हैं तो 5 subjects हैं, assuming like 100 for each. So this is the percentage I am getting. और alternatively आप क्या कर सकते थे, आप ये भी formula लगा सकते थे, equal to average, then C9 colon C13. अगर आप ये फॉर्मूला भी लगाते तो आपकी देखो इसमें अब आपकी एवरेज आ रही है, राइट? और इसमें हमारा क्या आ रहा है, परसेंटेज आ रहा है. फर्स्टली इट विल ऐड इट एंड देन इट विल डिवाइड बाय 5. नाउ यू कैन सी बच्चे, लेट्स परफॉर्म अ गोल सीक नाउ. व्हाट आई वांट माय परसेंटेज शुड बी 78. I want my percentage should be 78. So going on to the data tab, what if analysis goal seek. So I want to set the value of C14. So set the value of C14. It is already coming because I have selected a cell here. Next, to the value, how much percentage I need? I need 78%. Which cell I will adjust so that the value can come? Now I want to get the marks of computer. So clicking on this, the percentage should be 78. अभी 57.6 बन रहा है, तो मुझे कंप्यूटर में कितने मार्क्स लेके आने पड़ेंगे so the percentage can be 78. So let's see. It is saying in order to get the 78, 102 marks percentage should be there. That is not feasible. 100 से तो ऊपर जा ही नहीं सकता. So what you can do is you can increase a little percentage here. Let it be यहाँ पे जो score आ रहा है, something like that. Now let's see अब कितना margin का हमारा difference पड़ रहा है. Now if I want the percentage should be 78. अब कंप्यूटर में मुझे कितने मार्क्स चाहिए? So I will click on that. Use the goal seek feature. So see 58 marks in the computer in order to get 78. Is it okay? अगर आप verbally इसको manually निकालते mathematically तो आपको कितना time लगना था ना time. It will take time in order to solve how much marks to be get in the computer so that you can overall the percentage should be 78. आप बीच में randomly values देते, कभी आप 60 डाल के check करते, कभी आप 50 डाल के check करते, कभी 53 डाल के check करते. Means repeatedly आपको कितनी बारी values डालनी पड़ रही थी and then you can able to check कि मेरी percentage 78 बन रही है या नहीं बन रही है ना? अब गोल सीक में क्या हुआ है, डायरेक्टली एट वंस बाय यूजिंग द फीचर वी हैव इम्प्लीमेंटेड. अदर देन अगर आप मैनुअली करते तो इट विल टेक टाइम, राइट? बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ द गोल सीक फीचर वी कैन इमीडिएटली कैलकुलेट अवर डेटा. So this is the advantage of goal seek. Goal seek is clear? Yes, bachche, the goal seek feature is clear to everyone. Okay, so that completes our chapter. The features that we have done in this chapter: sorting, filtering, 2 types of filtering, auto and advanced. Then conditional formatting, we discussed how to print our worksheet, how to set the options during the printing process. And lastly, we have done today goal C. Right? Clear? Now, let's discuss the exercises now. Okay. Open page number 44. Come to page number 44. Opened. Yes, Harmeet.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the process of arranging the data in a particular order?
Sorting.
Yes, the process of arranging the data in the particular order is called sorting. So the first answer is sorting. In which tab advanced filter option is available? The advanced feature option is available in home tab. In which group sort option is available? Shubh.
Yes, ma'am. Sort and filter.
Sort and filter option is available under sort and filter group. Right. Next, in which option is goal seek is available?
Ma'am, what if analyze?
Right. What if analysis? So all the four answers are clear. The process of arranging data is called sorting. Advanced filter option is available in the data tab. Then the sort option is available under sort and filter group. Goal seek is available in what if analysis. Right, bache, clear? Okay, now fill ups. Dash means arranging the data in ascending or descending order. Yes, you can speak out the answer.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
sorting.
Sorting, very good. Goal seek option is present in which menu?
Data menu.
Data menu. To remove a filter, click
clear
Clear
option.
option.
clear option. Very good. ये कल टेस्ट में भी क्वेश्चन डाला हुआ था, remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Dash and dash are the two options for filtering data.
Auto filter and advanced filter.
Filter.
Very good. So two options are auto filter and advanced filter. Blanks are clear. You
Yes,
can
Yes,
write down
ma'am.
the answers in your book. Be quick. You can write down the answers. Done.
yes, ma'am.
Next, true or false? Filter refers to display only those data that meets the specific criteria.
Ma'am, true.
And true.
Yes. So filter will show you only that data जिससे आपकी condition satisfy हो रही होगी. Okay. Sorting only arranges the data in decreasing order.
False.
Ma'am, false.
No, it can also arrange the data in increasing. You cannot remove a filter.
And false.
Ma'am, false.
False. With the help of clear command, we can easily remove our filter. Sort and filter group is present in data tab.
True.
True.
True. What if analysis option contains goal seek option?
True.
Yes, true, ma'am.
Very good, Chitesh. The answer is true. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by sorting?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes,
And
yes, yes.
Sorting means arranging data in an ascending or descending order. Command of sorting is home tab, editing group, sort and filter button, sort Z to A, sort A to Z, custom sort.
Right. Sorting means arranging the data in ascending or descending order. Need not to specify the command here because just the meaning has been asked. So simply write the meaning that it arranges the data in ascending or descending order. Clear, बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Shall we move on to the next question now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What do you mean by filter?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I?
can I?
And then
Filtering
can
the data means working with one only selective range of cells, and it helps to hide the unwanted data temporarily.
Correct. Filtering option helps you to
Excuse, ma'am.
hide unwanted data temporarily so that you can work with the selective range of cells. Sit down. Filtering option helps you to. हाँ जी बच्चे.
Ma'am, ये add कर सकते हैं, filtering data means working with only selective range of cells, that is to display data based on given criteria.
Yes, that is also correct. So it helps you to hide unwanted data temporarily so that you can work with selective range of cells. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Explain the goal-seek feature.
Goal-seek
Ma'am,
is
can
an
I-
advanced feature used for fixing a specific result for one cell by adjusting a value in another cell.
Right. So it is a feature used for fixing the specific result for one cell by adjusting the value in the another cell. So I hope the answer is clear. It's very easy and simple one. We right now discussed practically too. Who will tell me the difference between auto filter and advanced filter? ये भी मैंने difference अभी आपको बताया था. Yes, Savya.
Yes, ma'am. Difference between, would you please repeat?
Auto filter and advanced filter, the difference. Anyone else?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, advanced filter option is used to filter the data in the multiple fields using the specified criteria.
Okay.
And
Just
auto
Yes, anyone else? Gaurish, Shubh? Any other answer? Yes, Chehek, very correct. In auto filter, you apply a condition on only one column. In advanced filter, the conditions can be applied on multiple fields. अभी तो मैंने आपको बताया ये practically करके भी. Auto filter में एक ही field पे लगेगी condition. Advanced filter पे multiple fields पे condition can be applied. So auto filter option allows you to filter data in the single field, whereas advanced filter allows you to filter the data in multiple fields using some condition, using some criteria. The answer is clear?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now coming on to the application based question, Neha has prepared a worksheet containing the heights of the student. So she wants to arrange this in ascending order. Help her to do so. How she will arrange the data in ascending order?
Ma'am, she can use sort and filter option.
The option.
Filter option.
Yes, sorting option.
इसमें sorting
Ascending order करना है तो कौन सी option लगाएंगे sorting की?
Ma'am, sort A to Z.
Ma'am, sort A to Z. Sort A to Z.
Very good. So we will use sort A to Z. है ना? Data tab, sort and filter group, sort option और उसके अंदर जाके आप sort A to Z. Ascending order. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer is
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Seema has created a worksheet containing the marks of students. She wants to take a printout. Suggest her the way. How she will take the
Ma'am,
printout?
file menu, print
Ma'am, file
option.
menu, print option.
That is
Select the
file
desired
tab,
options from
print option.
option. Click the
File
print
tab,
button.
print option, or you can use Control plus P shortcut key. You can also use Control plus P shortcut key. Clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Any doubt in any of the question?
No,
No,
ma'am.
Yes, Saksham.
यस मैम 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 कौन कौन से क्वेश्चन करने हैं?
You need to do only D part on the fear notebook. D part.
ओके मैम.
Only these questions. I think 4 questions are there, na? What do you mean by
Yes, ma'am.
sorting, filtering, goal seek, and auto filter and advanced filter? Only 4th part. Answer the following questions. 4 questions are supposed to be done on the fear note.
ओके मैम. थैंक यू मैम.
Okay. So the chapter is clear.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
the features are clear.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Exercises also.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, bachcho, take care, revise your chapter properly and complete your notebooks on time and send me for checking. And send me on the new number, everyone. Do not send me on the old number for checking. I have already shared the new number with you now, where you have sent your holidays over. So send your
Yes,
notebooks
ma'am.
on the new number, okay?
Ma'am.
Okay, bachche, take care. Bye bye. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.